So I started my YouTube automation channel and I found the best niche I can work on. And now I have to create a channel, and the most important part is to select a name for my channel. Now, most of the people think that the channel name is highly important because it represents your content and it will be remembered by the audience. But I don't agree with this. Well, channel name should be unique and should match your content, but it's not important at all. Most of the YouTubers used their own names and their content is a bit different. But as these channels grow, the only thing that matter is the content. Most of the channels have just ordinary names and logos, but their content is the thing that is dominating and ruling. People actually spend most of the time in searching for the best name for the channel, and after they found that particular name, they start emphasizing over the logo. Look, I truly agree with the point that your name and logo matters, but as I said before, your content is the king. As soon as your channel grow, the most significant thing that will help you grow on this platform is your content. So I decided not to invest most of my time on searching some fancy name for my channel. Instead, I saved my time and asked ChatGPT to get the work done. So I told ChatGPT about my YouTube channel and its niche and the required name. And there it gave me a list of names that are relevant to my niche and are also unique. So I picked one of the suggested names and finally I used that name on my channel. Now, the next thing I had to do was to make a logo and a channel banner. So I used Canva for this and designed a simple logo and a channel banner. And that's it. My channel is ready to go. This process is as simple as that. So this is the another day for my YouTube automation journey. We'll see you in the next video.